G'day, welcome to Max Makes Amends. Today we will be making a cat tunnel. So we've previously built this outside little platform cage thing for a cat. Because he's an inside cat, but he yearns for the outdoors. So that was done with some perspex, some metal screws, and a cat door. So just cut a hole in the perspex, put the cat door in that, screw the cat door to the bug screen mesh, and you just leave the window open and the cat can get through that. But we are going away, and whilst the cat normally has access to the full house, we don't like him doing that when we're away because he pees on the couch sometimes. So usually lock him in the laundry, but this time we're going to give him a bit more space by building a cat tunnel to this outdoor cat enclosure. So I've already started, but yeah, just since each design is different, I'll just give you the basics of how to do it. So you're going to need some welded mesh. I've chosen to go with 50 by 50 millimeter squares. I think it's 3 mil thick. Now, if you want to save money, go to your local steel shop. It is a lot cheaper than Bunnings. This was like $34 for 2.4 by 1.8 or something like that. And that was about $35 rather than 70 or 80 at Bunnings for something of this size. So you're going to need some mesh. You need something to cut the mesh with. Chosen to go with $20 bolt cutters. I have used an angle grinder in the past, but it's just messy and loud, and this is just a lot more pleasant to use. Thirdly, you're going to need something to put the mesh together with. So we have these Avery clips and Avery clip pliers. Get those at Bunnings or probably also your local steel shop. Says up to 2.5 mil wire mesh, but we're doing 3 and it seems to work fine. So you're going to need quite a few of those. And then you need something to hang your tunnel with if you're doing something like this. Or you can just do something like that, but even to hang that, you need some of these things, panel fixing clips, and some screws. That's just what I had lying around there. And then I'll just screw that into a piece of wood going across there and into the, I don't know the name of that, but like the rafter. And then for this one, previously I just screwed up into that beam, and then Bunnings doesn't sell this anymore, which I'm not that happy about because it's useful. And then some cable ties, and then it's not really that attached at the back, so it's not super secure. Anyway, let's cut up another piece. Okay, also need a tape measure. So from there to there, got 420 millimeters. Now we can't do exact measurements. So that do up to there. That's about 408. And if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 pieces of mesh, and then take that over to our wire cutters. So it's just a piece that I had left over from before. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. and then cut just here. And it's as simple as that, and then you cut out the square that you need, and then we will attach it. Okay, we've got our panel. That's going to be just about right. Luckily nothing is too super fixed, so we'll just do some cutting and some more cutting at the top and put everything together. Alright, we'll cut our hole. Just gonna lift that out. Now, so I've made it nice and long so the cat can jump up there or whatever he needs to do. Yep. And I'll cut out some more pieces to go up. Oh, hang on. Should probably lock this cat away. Alright. Okay, so we're almost done here. Just got to put this piece on and the roof. Yeah, so when you're designing your cat tunnel, sort of just want to go with boxes and build those boxes that to make up your shape. Also, for the bottom here, that's just some sort of vinyl, I think. So that's from just chopped up a rolly chair floor mat so that you can roll around on carpet. Yeah, so that was 1.2 meters long, so I just made 2 cuts of that, and it fits the 2.4 meter long sheet tunnel thing. So yeah, so there we go, all done. The cat has tested it out and he's pretty happy with that. I put him in that end and he just ran across and jumped down, and then a couple seconds later he jumped back up, ran out and jumped down onto the tarp. But anyway, I've removed the tarp now because we're going to put mesh over. Oh, gee, that was close. And I cut myself pretty bad. Crap. Yeah. Do not try to catch knives, people. Crap. Anyway, I'm going to go deal with that. So we're going to put mesh over there. It'll be a lot more open-aired and secure for the cat. Alright, patched up my hand and got this on. So, the original plan was to have this mesh all the way around, but I realised I don't have enough materials, and I don't actually need to have mesh all the way around. So I've just used those fixings to go right up against the edge, all the way around. On those sides, and then have the mesh on here and attach that with cable ties, which I was going to do anyway, but this is probably more secure with it on the side there. Now just going to do the tunnel going down, and yeah, remember, projects always use more time and materials than you originally think. And there we go, all done. Now I'm gonna make a little cat platform for him to land on or something like that, clean up and see if he likes it. Okay, got everything done. So look, here comes the cat. Here comes the cat. There we go. Your new cat tunnel. Well, hopefully this video was helpful. Cat sure thought it was. Thanks for watching.